Hey everyone, check this out. This is a play-doh pizza party set. Oh, don't run away. Come back. Come back. Oh, here it is. Let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, plenty of them. Let's open this tiny plastic pack first. Here's a pizza cutter. A knife. A pizza pick cutter. A fork. A tiny plate. A pizza pan with a few topping options at the back. A rolling pin and a pizza pedal with a few toppings. And here's a cheese presser. Ta-da! Here's a pizza takeaway box. For the play-doh cans, we've got white, light brown, yellow, green, red, and I have added light purple, black, light yellow, green, and brown. Let's start by making the pizza crust. Here's a light brown play-doh. I'll use knife to cut it into half. Press it and squeeze it until the dough becomes round. Then press it to make it flat. Then use a rolling pin to make it bigger. Here it is. Let's cut the pizza size we need. Here it is. Let's move on to make the undercrust. Here's another piece of brown play-doh. I'll roll it until it becomes a roll. I'll stick it around the circle shape which is made. Done! Let's move on to the tomato base for the pizza. Here's a red play-doh. Press it. Use a rolling pin to roll it. Here it is. And put it on top of the pizza base. Use a back of a knife to press it on. Time to make the cheese base. I'll use the yellow play-doh. Press it. Use a rolling pin to roll it. And use the knife to trim the edge. Here it is. And lay it on top of the tomato base. And use the back of the knife to press it on. Time to choose a topping for our first pizza. I'll use dark brown play-doh to make pepperoni pieces. Here it is. I'll use light yellow to make the fatty dolls of pepperoni. Let's put these pieces of pepperoni on top of the pizza. And we need another piece of pepperoni. Here it is. Let's add some shredded cheese on pizza. Cheese presser. White play-doh. Press it. With a knife to cut it off. And spread evenly on pizza. Looks yummy! I'd like some fresh herbs on top of my pizza. Green play-doh. Press it. Here it is. Here's our pepperoni pizza. Let's get ready for our second pizza. Light brown play-doh for the base crust. Put the end crust along the circle. And the tomato base. And the cheese base. You can use a pair of scissors to trim it. Perfect! Let's move on to the toppings. I'll make some fresh tomato slices. Here's a red play-doh. Press it. See how cute it is! Let's move on to the toppings. Here's a red and white play-doh. Mix them. And mix it with white again. Here it is. And roll it into a rope shape. And take another piece of white play-doh and roll it into a rope shape as well. Put them next to each other and cut them into pieces. Put 4 pairs of them together, press them, make sure they stick together, and fold it to make it half of the size. Now we can fill it into the prawn-shaped mold. Press it. Add the towel. And remove the excess. Here's our cute tiger prawn topping for the pizza. Let's add some green pepper to our prawn pizza. Let's add some fresh herbs. Looks yummy! Let's move on to the last pizza for today. Brown play-doh for the base. And tomato. And cheese. I'll choose mushroom as my first layer of topping. Press white play-doh into the mold. And remove the excess. Here it is. And green for fresh herbs. I'll add some olive. I'll use black play-doh. it is. And here's my favorite pineapple. Pressing the yellow play-doh. Here it is. I like more greens on my vegetable pizza. Here's the broccoli. I'll use dark green for the top and green for the bottom. Oh, how cute it is! Lastly, the onion slice. Pressing the light purple play-doh. Here it is. Our vegetable pizza is ready! I had so much fun creating my own Play-Doh pizza. I hope you guys had a great time too. And don't forget to subscribe to see more Play-Doh videos. And see you next time!